Alright, welcome back to my second video today. I just recorded a brand new video this morning that featured the latest tropical outlook, as we have 3 different areas that we're watching for possible development, 2 in the Atlantic Basin and 1 in the Pacific Basin. And the one in the Pacific Basin could potentially become our first hurricane of the season. So now let's change gears and talk all about the severe weather threat that we could be seeing tonight, thanks to a big area of low pressure combined with a warm front with plenty of available moisture being driven north. So here is our main system that we're watching right here. This big area of low pressure here basically stationary across the central part of Texas. Once again, there's that warm front I was just talking to you about, going all the way through the Central Plains and also down towards the Gulf Coast, and then maybe even into parts of the southeast. Plenty of moisture being driven northward from the northern Gulf to fuel the systems. So basically anywhere in this general area is where we're going to have the best shot of seeing any type of severe weather today. So here is today's SPC Outlook. You can see anywhere in that darker colors where we have the greatest chance for severe weather. So anywhere in that orange area is in that enhanced risk. So we're talking about northern portions of Kansas, and then also western portions of Missouri, and then also a very small portion there and also southern Nebraska. But once again, really anywhere in that yellow into orange where we have that best chance of seeing severe weather today. Now, when we talk about severe weather, there's several different things we watch for. We have tornadoes, we have hail damage, and we also have wind damage. So here is the possibility of seeing a tornado today. Really not that high, only about a 2 to 5% chance anywhere in those darker colors. But once again, it is definitely possible today because of that system. As we get into our possibility of seeing some wind damage today, it is definitely a little bit higher. As you can see, anywhere in that 15 to 30% range. Once again, anywhere in eastern Kansas, southern Nebraska, and then also getting into western Missouri. And then last but not least, here's our threat of seeing some hail today. Basically the exact same chance of seeing any wind damage anywhere in that 15 to 30% range. So bottom line today, just be prepared for whatever comes your way. Unfortunately, I do not have a future cast, but I do know that this will be coming sometime around your dinner time, maybe into the time you head to bed. So the best way to make sure that you get notified for severe weather is make sure that you have all your notifications turned on your cell phone. You have your alerts on, so that way you can get alerts immediately. It doesn't matter if you're sleeping or whatever. Trust me, you definitely want to be awake if there is a tornado warning. If you have an iPhone, go to the notification settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then turn on all of your emergency settings, including tornado warnings and anything else like that. I'm not exactly sure how to explain it for Androids, but if you do have an Apple iPhone, once again, just go to your iPhone settings, hit that little notification button in the middle, and then also scroll all the way down, and then you'll see all the little notifications you can turn on there. So once again, we have the possibility of seeing a tornado today, possibly some wind damage, and maybe even some hail damage. And once again, here is where we could be seeing the severe weather today. Really anywhere across the central and southern places where we have that best chance of seeing severe weather today. And then also really anywhere in this green areas where we have that chance, going all the way from New England down towards the southeast, obviously right here across the central U.S., and then all the way back out towards the west, where we are seeing extreme heat. That is where you could see severe weather today. Obviously, once again, the best chance is going to be here, northern portions of Kansas, southern portions of Nebraska, and then also right there across northwestern portions of Missouri. Once again, there's our tornado probability, about a 2 to 5% chance anywhere in that general range. As we go into our probability of seeing some wind damage, about in that 15 to 30% range. And then last but not least, here's a chance of seeing some hail today. Once again, anywhere in that 15 to 30 degree range. Also, we do have a 5% chance across portions of northern and South Dakota, western portions of North Dakota, and then also some portions there across northern Montana. And then last but not least, that threat does continue all the way into central portions of Wisconsin. So once again, just be ready for whatever comes your way, because it is definitely possible we could see some severe storms as we head into our afternoon for tonight. Be sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel at Liam's Weather, and also be sure that you're following me on Twitter and Facebook. I'm on Twitter at Liam's Weather 621. I'm obviously on YouTube at Liam's Weather. And then last but not least, I'm also on Facebook at Liam Kenny. And please be sure that you are visiting my website right here at www.liamsweather.org for all details. So that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.